Well, Luke, thanks for having me today. And over the last year, since we last spoke on this show, I think we've made a lot of improvements, and we've had I think some of the biggest changes that we've experienced at CBP is a retraining and a retooling on some of our people. So we're hiring a lot of software engineers into my organization now because everything's moving to a software-defined environment. We've had a wide-scale re-engineering of our network on the southern border that needed to happen, and we were kind of challenged earlier this year with some of our bandwidth down on the southern border, and we've rolled out to several hundred sites, large-scale bandwidth upgrades. We do operate at over 1,700 locations worldwide, so we're starting to roll out some new and innovative technologies to improve the security posture overseas and enable our officers or agents that are stationed overseas to directly access our resources. We've been working extremely hard to expand our connectivity to different cloud providers and to kind of ease those connection models so that our program officers who do the development of software don't have to be constrained by the network.
Sure.
So we're doing things so that they can actually see what the connections look like, how much they're consuming on bandwidth, and then interface directly with us. One of my biggest challenges has been I oversee not just the networks, but the land mobile radio and our HF networks. So incorporating those technologies with our mobility platform that we oversee as well. So we've actually expanded our mobility user group from probably about 10,000 users from last year to up over 22,000 people. And we're moving very rapidly to pretty much get a phone on every officer or agent's belt, and that changes the environment. One of my big challenges that I think that we're going to see coming up is IoT. I work very closely and oversee portions of the program for non-intrusive inspection. So a lot of those things that were always never connected to the network, like an X-ray machine, some of our older camera systems, radiation detection equipment. Now those devices or systems are coming enabled to connect either to a network or be IoT-like. So we're really challenged right now in finding ways to securely get the telemetry from those systems and maybe not connect them to our primary network, but use some IoT gateways or other technologies to feed that data back to our system.